Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and welcome to the jungle. It has frozen in San Antonio. You're like, what? That never happens. No, it does, but very rarely. The plants are going out again soon. In the meantime, let's have a fun dance along. Thank you to my patrons on Patreon for helping to make this video free for everybody. If you want to be like them, the link is in the description. Hope you had a great time. If you like the song, links in the description. If you want merch, prints, and t-shirts and stuff like that, it's in the description. And remember, the best way to learn how to dance is to dance. Okay, you know, the problem with plants is that all of them are like, I want really bright sunlight, but right beside me though. I don't want to touch me. I want to be able to see the sunlight beside me, okay?